Hi everyone, welcome once again. Today we'll be preparing paneer cigar roll. For that I have taken 250 grams of paneer over here and I'll make it crumble. You can do with the help of the hand, that is the best way, and use your washed hands. And for this 250 grams of paneer, you can serve for about 14 slices of the bread, which I'm going to show you now. You have to do it very finely like this. I'm almost done. Now I'll sprinkle over 1 medium size cut onions, fresh cilantro leaves, or you can say coriander leaves, and sprinkle some amount of salt. It depends upon your taste. 1 tablespoon of oregano I have sprinkled, and chili flakes 3/4 tablespoon. You can use it according to your taste. Mix it with the help of the spoon, and don't forget to add this black pepper also, which is 1/4 tablespoon. Now add little bit of milk to it. Around 3 to 4 tablespoon of milk I have added to it because the mixture was very dry and we have to make it very smooth, so milk will do that thing. Add milk accordingly and then mix it with the help of spoon and later on with the help to make it a fine mixture. Like this you have to do. Now I have taken these bread slices and I'll cut ends of it. Very finely you have to do for all of the slices. Like this you have to do. Now with the help of the rolling pin, I have to flatten it up like this. You have to apply pressure on it and it will remove all fluffiness in the bread. For all of the slices you have to do like this. Now I'll put sauce over it. I'm using pizza sauce. You can use even mayonnaise and any other sauce you want to. I'm using Viva's pizza sauce. It is very yummy. And now I'll sprinkle over this paneer mixture, this cheese mixture over it. Don't overstuff them because otherwise it will create problem in getting rolled. Like this you have to do, and now from one end we will roll it into a cigar shape. Like this you have to roll slowly till the other end, like this, and remove this extra portion of the paneer which is coming out, and with the help of the water you have to paste it. Put some water on your finger and put it on the bread, other end of the bread, and you can paste it like this. There is no need to use water anywhere else except for this end joining. Like this you have to do and make cigars for the other slices as well. This is a griller pan. I have heated it up and I have brushed some oil over it. I'm using olive oil over here, and I'll put these cigar rolls on the griller pan. You can even deep fry them if you want to, or you can go for air fryer also, but this can be, as you know that I go for hassle free cooking, so I'm using this grill pan. It will give same flavor. You can even flip it over and this kind of pattern can come over it, and you will get that crunchiness and crispiness as well. These are some other lots which I am doing. You can even cut the pieces of the bread into half if you are preparing it for the tiffins. And here are the paneer rolls, paneer cigar rolls. Enjoy it with your family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like and comment.